Hello to all the buyers on the Stocklear platform. I am very happy to be with you today live from Lairs, our warehouse in the north of France, to present a new batch from Grover that you might already know. It is a major retailer in Germany specializing in renting high-tech products to individuals. They rent their products for between 0 and 5 years, on average 2 to 3 years of rental. Then the products return to Stocklear, come to Stocklear in under different qualities, from new with original packaging to non-functional, including functional use. Read the little blue bubble that defines this quality carefully. You will understand it better, and make sure to download the Excel file as well. You will have details in the product line. And today we took 3 products from a functional used lot in robot vacuums. So here there are brands, there's LG, Roborock. There are others too, but it's really a sample. So here we are opening a box in front of you. So 95% of the products have their original packaging. Here there are protective polystyrene covers. There is even the key to disassemble the base. So this is the station, right? Let's put it next to it. So here is the robot vacuum. There are accessories. There is the user manual. There is the plug, so we can see that it has been used. It is still in good overall condition. It is not damaged. So I think that for a vacuum cleaner, it's still in good condition. Let's look for the little brush. Normally, I think there's a small brush. Yeah, so this is the charging station. Potentially there should normally be a small roller that I can't find. It might need to be repurchased. It was probably here, so I don't see it. But in any case, the vacuum cleaner has been used, but it's still in good condition. See, functional second hand. Just to remind you, I'm looking at the charging station. Yeah, I think it's a vacuum that does vacuuming and floor washing. I think here you can fill the tank with water. So there you have it. We have shown you an example of a functional used robot vacuum. Feel free to chat with us at the bottom right of your screen on the little blue bubble. Ask us any questions you want and enter a delivery address on your thumb stop to get automatic shipping quotes. We wish you a good day and happy bidding.